How to see swipe history on Plenty of Fish. Hey everybody, welcome back to Login Joins. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do so. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your Plenty of Fish application from your device. Make sure that you get logged into your account. Now, if you would like to see your swipe history, then all you have to do is take Premium. Because without the Premium packages, you won't be able to see any of your swipe history. To do that, just tap onto the Premium package page. Now here you will see the POF Premium packages. There are 3 packages at the moment, which is 1 month, 3 months, and 12 months. Choose your package. At the next page, enter your card details. And once done, tap on to upgrade at the bottom of the page. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, hit the subscribe button. We will catch you up soon.